Again, welcome you students. The topic is improving soil fertility. Means how will improve the fertility of the soil. Listen, there are many methods that can be used for improving the soil fertility. But main question arises here that why we should improve it. You know one thing, whenever we start just cultivating the crops in a field for a long time, what happens? Due to cultivating of crops in a field for a long time, the soil starts losing their nutrients, their nitrogen, their phosphorus and many other minerals. So just because of it, what we do, there are many methods. The first method that is written here is fallow field. Fallow means to leave. Fallow means to leave. So what is the meaning of exact field 5? Fallow field means, so here to leave a piece of land, fallow means not to cultivate if for one or more season. Means suppose you have grown a rabi crop in your field, again kharif in a field, again rabi in a field, then for a season, means for a rabi season or for a kharif season, just leave your land uncultivated. In this condition, what happens? The nature itself manages the soil fertility, manages the nutrients, manages another that is required for the soil to become fertile. Automatically nature balance it, and just because of it, what is the benefit of it? The benefit is when the soil again get their fertility, get their nutrients and whatever the requirement materials each, whenever after this fallow field you will grow the crops will be on a larger scale, it will grow. Got it? And the next topic is crop rotation. So the question arises, what is crop rotation? Listen. Here I have written different crops of different nutrients. As we already know, not all crops have the same nutrients. Different crops have different nutrients requirement. If you grow the same crop in the same field season after season, means in rabi season you grow the same rabi crop, in summer season you grow the same rabi crop, in winter season you grow the same rabi crop, then what will happen? A single type of nutrients will be absorbed from the soil, and soil would have lack of those specific nutrients, and just because of it, when you grow another crops, what will happen? As a result, the another seasonal crop, suppose you have grown rabi and now you are planning to grow a kharif crop, the kharif crop will not grow on a larger scale. Why? Because the soil has lack of some specific nutrients, and just because of it, the crop will not grow. Got it? So here I have written the practice of growing different crops in succession in the same field or soil is called crop rotation. Crop rotation means rotation of crop. Rotation means if once you have grown rabi crop, another time grow kharif crop, another time grow pulses, another time grow cereals. Means different kind of crops must be grown in the field so that all kind of nutrients that is required for the soil could be caught, managed, and in this conditions soil will be fertile. Got it? Here I have written the next topic, and that is nitrogen fixation. The word is enough to understand. Nitrogen fixation means fixing of nitrogen in the soil. What is fixing of nitrogen in the soil? Means how will we fix the nitrogen in the soil? So listen to me very carefully. If we want to fix the nitrogen in the soil, how will we fix? Whenever we grow pulses, pulses have a special quality. What type of quality? Pulses has a special quality that it took the nitrogen from the atmosphere or from the soil and convert it into ammonia. And when it convert into ammonia, this ammonia is utilized for fixing of nitrogen in the soil. Now you will ask, what is the work of nitrogen in the field, in the soil? Listen my guys. Nitrogen is mainly responsible for the growth of plant, and especially for the growth of cereal plants and for the growth of pulses. Just because of it, we fix the nitrogen in the soil. If the nitrogen is not available in the soil in this condition, the plant will not grow properly. That's it for today. In next class, we will discuss more topic about it. Okay, thank you guys. And one more thing, you can ask your doubts related to these topics. Note all this topic in your notes. If you face any problem, just ask your doubts in the group. Thank you. Bye. Have a